Welcome to my farm, and today we are harvesting hydroponic mint. It is a cold winter's day and we still have stock, we still have growing shoots, and it's a beautiful day. While the rest of the farmers are struggling with mint at the moment, having a shortage in the country, hydroponic mint thrives in winter. It does grow a little bit slower, but it still grows. This is proof. We have cloned a few months ago on these systems. We've done one semi-harvest to trim back so that the roots can develop, and this is the second harvest off the system in the last 3 months. So we're super excited. We should be getting about 10 to 12 kilos off a bed. We have 3 beds to harvest, and I hope you enjoy the video, just to show you how easy it is to harvest the mint. You just trim and let it grow back. It'll take about 4 weeks to grow back to its full potential for another harvest. And now that we're going into spring, easily 3 to 4 weeks until new harvest. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video so far, and please follow, share and subscribe. It really does wonders for our program. It allows us to make better content, and it allows us to put out more videos for you guys that are watching back at home. So the more you like, share and subscribe, the more it will enable us to do our best job to make this channel happen. On our hydroponic system, we do not use any insecticides, no pesticides, no nematicides, no fungicides, no chemicides. This is all healthy growing mint using organic nutrients flowing through the pipe. It's a fantastic way to grow mint. Mint is really hardy, it's a beautiful crop, it's very easy and forgiving. When I say forgiving, this is what I mean. In our country we have something called load shedding, where they shed the electricity for 2 to 3 to 4 hours sometimes, and sometimes we have power outs for up to 4, even 5, 6 hours. When mint grows, it grows a thick layer of roots, and in that layer of roots it holds water retention. This allows the mint to stay fresh. It avoids dehydration and drying out, so that the mint will never die while you're away on the road selling your produce to your various clients and running around for whatever tasks you may have in the day. The mint is a very forgiving crop, whereas other crops, when the water and electricity go out, they wilt, they die, they become market unfavorable. Whereas mint stays fresh until you come home, and if the electricity goes out for longer periods of time, you can just take a hose and put some water through the channels and it'll stay alive. Mint is an extremely forgiving crop for us. We love growing mint. Mint grows uniformly all year round. It is beautiful with color. It is a very forgiving crop, and I urge you to try this at home. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you follow our channel. We look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.